Today we're taking a deep dive into something that completely redefines what an RV can be. The 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV. This is not your average road trip camper or luxury motorhome built for smooth highways and crowded campgrounds. This is a full-blown expedition machine, engineered to cross continents, survive extreme climates, and take you far beyond the reach of paved roads. The exterior design perfectly reflects its mission. Everything about the 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV looks purposeful and rugged, from the armored body panels to the massive all-terrain tires wrapped around heavy-duty wheels. The front end is bold and industrial, often featuring integrated recovery points, winches, and reinforced bumpers designed for self-recovery in remote areas. Along the sides, you'll find storage compartments for tools, gear, and expedition equipment, all sealed against dust and water. Around the back, the taillights deserve special attention. They're not just stylish, but highly functional, designed with high-visibility LED technology to remain clearly visible through dust clouds, heavy rain, fog, or snowstorms. These taillights are recessed and protected to avoid damage from rocks and debris, reinforcing the idea that every exterior element is built for survival, not just looks. Step inside, and the contrast between rugged exterior and refined interior is striking. The cabin feels like a high-tech expedition command center, combined with a luxury living space. Materials are chosen for durability, insulation, and comfort, with reinforced cabinetry, vibration-resistant fittings, and high-quality finishes that can withstand constant movement and temperature changes. The living area is intelligently laid out to maximize space, featuring convertible seating and sleeping arrangements that adapt to long-term travel. The kitchen is fully equipped with heavy-duty appliances, induction or diesel-powered cooking options, refrigeration, and advanced water filtration systems that allow you to safely use water from remote sources. The bathroom setup is equally impressive, often including a wet bath with a rugged shower system and eco-friendly waste solutions designed for off-grid use. Performance is where the 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV truly proves why it exists. Powered by a massive Caterpillar-derived diesel engine, this machine delivers enormous low-end torque that feels effortless, even when hauling its considerable weight through steep climbs or deep sand. Power delivery is smooth and controlled, allowing the driver to maintain traction without wheel spin, while the advanced transmission works seamlessly to keep the engine in its optimal power band. Safety is taken extremely seriously in the 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV, which makes sense given the environments it's built to explore. The vehicle is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including 360-degree cameras, obstacle detection, and terrain monitoring tools that help prevent accidents in tight or low-visibility situations. Structural reinforcements protect occupants in the event of rollovers or impacts, while onboard emergency systems such as satellite SOS beacons and redundant communication tools ensure you can call for help even when you're completely off the grid. Night vision and thermal imaging systems further enhance safety by helping the driver spot wildlife, people, or hazards long before they become a problem. Now let's talk price, because this is where expectations need to be realistic. The 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV is firmly in the ultra-premium category, with estimated pricing starting around the $1.5 million mark and climbing well beyond that depending on customization and equipment. This puts it in the same league as other elite expedition vehicles, but what sets this apart is Caterpillar's industry engineering heritage. You're paying not just for luxury, but for extreme durability, reliability, and the ability to live independently in places most vehicles simply can't reach. What truly makes this RV stand out from competitors is its unapologetic focus on extreme overland capability. While many luxury RVs prioritize comfort on paved roads, the Caterpillar 8x8 is designed from the ground up to thrive off-grid. It offers unmatched traction, enormous load capacity, and systems built to operate for months without external support. Compared to other expedition vehicles, it feels more industrial, more serious, and more purpose-built, less about glamour and more about absolute confidence in the unknown. Another thing that really elevates the 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV is how well it balances long-term livability with extreme durability. This isn't a vehicle that feels exhausting after a few days on the road. Sound insulation, vibration damping, and smart weight distribution make long drives far less fatiguing than you'd expect from something of this size. Storage is everywhere, and it's all thoughtfully designed for real expedition use, with secure mounting points, modular compartments, and easy access to critical systems for maintenance or repairs in remote locations. Even simple details like lighting placement, handholds, and step access show that this RV was designed by people who understand what it's like to live on the road for weeks or months at a time. Another standout aspect is how this RV changes the perception of distance and isolation. With its massive fuel reserves, onboard water storage, and advanced resource management systems, journeys that would normally require constant planning and resupply suddenly feel much simpler. You're able to stay in one remote location for extended periods without rushing back to civilization, which opens the door to deeper exploration and more meaningful experiences. Instead of planning trips around fuel stops and campground hookups, the Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV encourages a slower, more immersive style of travel, where the destination isn't just a place on the map, but the entire journey itself. In the end, the 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV isn't for everyone, and it's not trying to be. This is a vehicle for explorers, adventurers, filmmakers, researchers, and anyone who wants to push beyond the limits of traditional travel. If your dream is to go anywhere, stay anywhere, and rely on nothing but your own machine, this RV delivers that promise in the most extreme and impressive way possible. It's not just transportation, it's freedom on 8 wheels.